Hey, it's Jewl with the Daily Drop Society. Let's jump right into it. Today I'm going to show you how to make an under eye serum using essential oils. Now the purpose of this recipe is when you wake up in the morning and maybe you're suffering with allergies or maybe something's going on and the under of your eyes feel puffy, dark, and you need a little just boost there. This is what this recipe is perfect for. Now in this recipe, we are using 3 essential oils. We have frankincense, geranium, and myrrh. Also as our carrier oil, we have rosehip oil. In our members area, I have all the information on why we use each of these essential oils so you can study a little bit more about them, why they are so great to use on our face. And as always, in our membership area, we have the darling matching roller bottle label. Now to get access to that membership, it's completely free. You just put in your information down below. I have a link in the bio. You'll start getting notified every month when we release new DIY recipes. So let's get into exactly how you make this roller bottle recipe. Now when you purchase an empty roller bottle, these are the pieces that come with it. You get the glass, the roller top, and the lid that goes with it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our empty glass bottle and we're gonna add to this recipe to start 10 drops of frankincense essential oil. Next, we're going to add 10 drops of myrrh essential oil. So gotta be space that I took the top off of it so it'd be easier to get out, of course. And lastly, we're gonna add 5 drops of geranium. We're going to top the rest of the bottle. You can see how it has some oils here. We're gonna top the rest of it with rosehip oil. Now at this point, we're gonna take our roller bottle top and stick it right on top. Make sure that's nice and secure there. And you can see the oils and the rosehip oil haven't quite emulsified yet. So I'm gonna put the top on and shake it up. There it is. Lastly, I'm gonna get this all cleaned off, get any of the oils I spilled off. And the last step is to put on the roller bottle label that goes on top of it. Does that not look legit? Look how professional that looks. And you can still see in the back how much you have left, has all the ingredients on it, and it shows you exactly what it's for. How cool is that? Then in the mornings, you can just keep this right where you get ready in the morning, and it's already pre-diluted and ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and we'll see you on for next time.